This tutorial will demonstrate the login process that you will use after you have already registered your account. Click on the green box to log in, enter in your username, followed by your password. Click the red button Next. You will need to authenticate yourself. First, you must click on the Send Security Code link. You will receive a security code to your phone. This does vary based on what you have selected in online banking. You could also receive one via email. When you receive the text, please make sure you are entering in the numbers next to the word Login Security Code. There is no need to enter in the dash. Once you have completed that, click Submit. Once you have done so, you will be presented with your account overview page.